Assalamu alaikum students. We can start with the second sum of analysis of financial statement. In the previous lectures, I have explained to you about the analysis of financial statements, its ratios, its formulae, as well as we have completed with the first sum. So now we start with the second sum. Please note down this sum in notebook. From the following profit and loss account and balance sheet of A Limited, calculate first A, gross profit ratio, B, net profit ratio, C, current ratio, D, operating ratio, E, stock turnover ratio, F, liquidity ratio. Now the next slide is profit and loss account is given to you and balance sheet is given to you. Firstly, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Particulars amount, debit and credit. The entire trading and profit and loss account is given to you. Okay, so you have to write this also. On the debit side, to opening stock 9,950, to purchases 54,525, to wages 1,425, to gross profit 34,000. On the credit side, buy sales 85,000, buy closing stock 14,900. The total on both the side is 99,900. This is the trading account. Now down which is there, that is profit and loss account. On the debit side, two operating expenses. First is selling and distribution expenses 3,000, administrative expenses 15,000, financial expenses 1,500. Two non-operating expenses. Under that, loss on sale of plant and machinery 400. To net profit 15,000. On the credit side, by non-operating expenses, interest is there, bank 300, profit and sale of shares 600. The total on both the side, the total of it is 900. As we know, the gross profit was already brought down from debit to credit, so it is already taken on the credit side by gross profit 34,000. Okay, so now total on both the side is 34,900. Now the next slide is balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Make the columns liabilities amount, assets amount. On the liability side, share capital 2,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 20,000. Reserves 9,000. Current liabilities, under that bills payable 3,000. Sundry creditors 10,000. Profit and loss account 6,000. Go on the asset side, land and building 15,000. Plant and machinery 8,000. Stock and trade 14,900, sundry debtors 7,100, cash at bank 3,000. The total on both the side is 48,000. So this is the entire question of the second sum of analysis of financial statement. Trading and P&L account is given and balance sheet is given. Okay, please note down this in the notebook, and inshallah in the next lecture we'll do the sum. Thank you.